My name is Kim Massaro. I'll be your professor over the course of this semester in statistics. I've been a lecturer at UTSA since fall 2009. I received my master's from UTSA in statistics in May of 2009. Before that, I got my master's in mathematics from the University of Missouri. So I made that transition from math to stats, finding that statistics allows you to apply math to real-world situations. This is our course, the second in a sequence of 3. MS 3043, it is Business Statistics with Computer Applications 2, which means we will learn how to analyze data in the business world, along with applying technology to help us analyze that data. So throughout this course, not only will we be performing computations, so a little bit of algebra will be required, but also learn how to analyze bigger data sets. A lot of our world is now going to big data, right? Data analytics, business analytics, that's what it's all about. Learning how to analyze larger data sets, so on a very large scale. Microsoft Excel helps us do that and makes our lives a lot simpler and easier, which everyone wants, an easier way to do something. Excel will help us do just that. It will take our computations and allow Excel to calculate them for us, then we just have to learn how to analyze and interpret the data. So a big part in this class will be learning how to communicate data, because it's one thing to perform certain calculations and organize data and move numbers around to perform calculations, but it's another thing to be able to actually talk about them, to take what you learn and communicate that data effectively so that anyone can understand what you're saying. Whether it's trying to make projections in the future, over time we'll look at trend analysis, or maybe building models, including our simple and multiple linear regression and other transformations of regression analysis to predict certain outcomes. We will see a lot of different topics in this course, which makes it very exciting because data is everywhere. No matter what discipline you're in, you will use data, you will see data, you will perform calculations, you will learn how to analyze and communicate that data effectively. This is a completely online course, which means there will be no face-to-face meetings. So making sure that you're staying on top of weekly material is very important. You'll notice on the syllabus and schedule, clear due dates will be outlined for you so you don't miss anything. So make sure to check Blackboard weekly to know what's coming up and what's due that week or the following week. We'll break down this semester piece by piece so it doesn't seem too overwhelming at once. By the end of the semester, you'll be ready for the third course in our MS sequence. Since there will be no face-to-face meetings, it's important to attend our weekly online office hours. While these are not required, they are definitely encouraged because it gives you that opportunity to ask questions that you would be able to in a classroom setting, but can't since this course is online. So make sure to attend those weekly office hour sessions along with staying on top of all your course material. I look forward to meeting you online. Thank you.